Good morning, Kareem.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
I can see that you are very happy today.
Yeah.
Why you are very happy today?
Because the rain is here.
Oh, can you tell me your
Here
feel?
is the rain.
Okay, can you tell me about your feeling? Can you express your feeling?
I'm so happy because the rain is here and there's no school, so I cannot go to school and I can stay at home and play with my brother and I play with the rain.
Really, you like play in the rain?
Yeah.
Why you like the rain? Also, tell me another reason.
Because there's no school and I cannot go to school because already I am sick. So,
You already sick?
Yeah.
Oh, but why, or how you will play in the rain? Tell me. What, you will stay there outside
No,
or
I'll bring my umbrella then go down.
down? But there is a lot of muddy puddles down. You like the muddy puddles?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my God, you will become dirty.
No problem.
What you will do later on?
I'll wear something else.
You will wear something else?
Yeah.
Mm.